Hey everybody, my name's Skipper. I went to D. Patrick to get my BMW service the other day, and here's how that went. I parked out front. Well, my mom did, but she lets me drive sometimes, which is super awesome. So anyways, we walked inside and we were greeted by a very nice man who gave me pets. We then walked through the showroom and saw some really cool cars with brand new tires. I love tires. The nice man escorted us to the BMW service office, where there was another really nice man. My mom signed her pre-work order and was asked if we needed a rental or shuttle service. That didn't apply for us today, so we just relaxed in the BMW lounge. Super cozy for a pup, and there were complimentary snacks and beverages. Yum! My mom then got a text telling her that her car was done, while someone pulled the car around for us. Then we made our way to the cashier to pay. Does anyone have change for a 10? Mom signed some papers and we were off. There's my car. Our car. Look how shiny. I could tell it had been freshly hand washed and vacuumed. It smelled so clean. It's a rough life. Time to get back on the road again. I recommend the D. Patrick BMW service team to all of my two-legged and four-legged friends. Just go to dpatrickbmw.com and schedule your appointment today.